Krea AI versus Magnific AI. Let's get started. So both are prominent tools for AI-driven image enhancements, each catering to different user needs. So first, let's start with Krea AI. So for upscaling quality, Krea preserves original image details with minimal alterations, suitable for maintaining authenticity, while Magnific AI enhances images by adding some features, like for example, like this one, sometimes some details reimagining elements which can lead to significant changes in the appearance. Now, for the creative control, well, Magnific AI provides creativity and resemblance, which are sliders allowing users to balance between detail, enhancement, and fidelity to the original image, while Krea AI has an offer for AI strength setting to adjust the level of enhancements, simpler interface with fewer customization options. Now for the resolution support, Krea AI supports upscaling up to 3K resolution, and higher resolutions like 4K are not currently available, while Magnific AI allows upscaling up to 4 times the original resolutions, catering to high resolution needs. Now for the pricing though, well, Krea is at 15 months and $15 per month and Magnific is a $39 per month, which is also not bad. Now, for recommendations, choose Krea AI if you prioritize preserving the original look of your images or you're working on your projects that require subtle enhancements without significant alterations. And choose Magnific AI for adding artistic or detailed enhancements to your images, working with AI generated art or game assets that benefit from added depth and detail.